everyone, today I'm with a new recipe. It's called banana bread pancakes, so let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if you like the video. So now I'm gonna put all the ingredients in, and first I'm gonna put the bread in. I'm gonna have a bite first. Tastes delicious. Now I'm gonna put it in. And I'm gonna put in all the bread. Okay, now I'm gonna put in the banana. I'm gonna have a bite first. Now I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put in the other one. Now I'm gonna just pour in the egg. Okay. Now I'm gonna put in this thing. Now I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna press the blend button. Now I'm gonna put in the oil that I'm actually gonna spray, and then I'm gonna brush it all around the pan nicely. Now I'm gonna brush it all over. Now I'm gonna pour the batter that I blended earlier in these shapes. So, oh my gosh. Be very careful because it's really hot. Don't even flip it too soon or else it will just go apart like you can see. Use help of a grown-up. We flipped the other one and it turned out greater than the other one, you can see. So it's almost ready. We're gonna dish this out and then we're gonna put toppings on them, and I'll let you know the final result. I'm gonna try it right out of the pan. Taste delicious. Now we're gonna put on the toppings, show you in a bit. Now I'm gonna taste both of them. First I'm gonna taste the Nutella one. Taste delicious. I'm gonna try the strawberry one. Now I'm gonna try this. Taste delicious.
Really like it, or are you just faking for the camera?
I love